Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Royal Enfield Himalayan ABS 411cc lightweight adventure bike, steel braided lines, fuel injected. This single cylinder Himalayan just arrived with only 2,020 miles. It's got the hard case, removable side bags, and top case. Excellent condition, very low miles. Come on by, make your Royal Enfield dreams come true for just $49.90. It's also got that nice adjustable lip on top of the windscreen. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.